Ever pondered the process of making money from the stock market? How about we dissect this complex world into easy-to-understand steps, shall we? First and foremost, equip yourself with knowledge. Understand the operations of the stock market, the various types of stocks, and investment strategies. Familiarize yourself with market trends, financial statements, and factors influencing stock prices. It's all about learning to navigate the waters before you set sail, isn't it? Second, set clear goals. Define your risk tolerance, financial objectives, and investment timeframe. Do you want to invest for long-term growth or quick profits in trading? Each approach requires a different strategy. Third, establish a budget. Dedicate a portion of your income for investments. However, ensure you have an emergency fund and are free of debt before you jump into the investment pool. Fourth, diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across various asset classes and companies. Diversification can cushion the impact of underperforming investments. Fifth, research and evaluate. Thoroughly scrutinize companies before investing. Review earnings, financial reports, and future growth expectations. Stay updated on world events, economic indicators, and market trends. Sixth, choose the right stocks. Consider investing in reputable companies with a history of consistent growth and profitability. Look for growth and value opportunities. Seventh, manage your risk. Limit potential losses by setting stop-loss orders. Determine the percentage of your portfolio you are willing to risk on a single transaction or investment. Eighth, consider long-term investing. Focus on companies with strong foundations and the potential for steady growth over time. Ninth, stay informed. Keep up to date with financial news and updates. The market conditions can change abruptly, and staying informed helps you make smart decisions. 10th, avoid making emotional decisions. Stick to your investment plan and refrain from acting out of greed or fear. 11th, use resources and tools. Leverage financial websites, resources, and investing tools to aid your research and decision-making. Lastly, seek expert advice if you're unsure. Consider consulting with financial advisors or experts. Remember, the stock market inherently involves risk, and there are no guaranteed returns. It's crucial to approach investing with a realistic mindset, prepared for both gains and losses. So, there you have it. A simplified guide on making money from the stock market. It's all about a blend of analysis, strategic decision-making, and research. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy investor.